Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see the overall look of this VEGA Off Road helmet, motorbike helmet. See, this comes with the stylish look, and if you see the back profile, air vents, one, two, three, four, totally four air vents, and the bottom are the air filter vents. Totally four air vents at the back side and adjustable one. Okay, and two visors, the top one and the inner one, like sunglasses. These options are pretty much useful, especially these are for the off-road purpose. Yeah, this is the outer visor and the inner visor, and they mention like it is scratch resistant. And front also, at the mouth there is air vent with the filter, and this buckle also very premium and easy to put on and easy to remove, especially easy to remove. I'll try to just keep it once. We'll just check how easy the buckle is to remove. This plays a very important role for choosing a helmet. Yeah, just button flip. Yes, that's it. Easy to remove. And overall the build quality is pretty good, and the weight is also medium. I can feel as I have hands on this one. We'll check the online details and the price, and here at the offline store it is showing something like 1600. Yeah, and the main thing is the sporty look. One who have the sports bike or the modern bikes, double visor and medium weight, you can say. And the ventilation is very good. The air vents, totally 1, 2, 4 at the back side. So and this buckle also easy to remove. We'll check the online prices now. Yeah, now we'll check the offline details and the price and everything. Here it is on the Flipkart, VEGA Off Road D by V motorbike helmet with a sporty look, and it got 4.3 ratings. See, 4.3 ratings, and many users bought this, and the current cost is 1600 rupees nearly. And you need to check the price in the Flipkart mobile app. Instead, this is on the computer desktop. Yeah, and the one I have shown you is the size L here. Okay, yeah, and weight, you can see, I can say when I take this to my hand, it feels like medium weight, not that light weight, I can say. Yeah, this type is full face. This is also present, right? Full face, as I mentioned earlier, and double visor. Yeah, and details you can check if possible. I'll be adding this in the view products. For the details, you can check it.